everyone, Robert Hess with VetsRally4Vets.com. Behind me is actually a 1997 Mazda Miata. It's an M Edition that has been refurbished for us by Just Driven down in Orange, California. And this is its first trip out to the track. We're here at Buttonwillow for the SCCA National Time Trial Tour. So this is a shakedown cruise for the car. It's actually pretty nice. I think we're a little underpowered to compete with everybody, but the car drives great. So for you guys at Just Driven, Alex, Daryl, and the rest of the team, thank you for a fantastic job on this car. And for Owen Palmer at 506 Designs, who did all the graphics. So I'm probably getting more points for the graphics and the look of the car than I am for my driving. But so for military vets or active duty military that want to get involved in helping our veterans deal with PTSD, head on over to VetsRally4Vets.com. That's VetsRally, the number 4, numeral 4, rally.com. All right, hope to see you with us at Summit Point in October.